Hi and welcome back. This week we're taking you to Japan. Usually a visa run is more like a border bounce, a quick out and back to simply adhere to government's rules around tourism visas. But this time we thought we'd make the most of it.
Hello, what are you doing? Counting. So we've left Tayrona and she's locked up and safe at Marina del Rey at Lombok, and we are on a visa run to where, Coda?
Tokyo.
And we're going to see Disneyland. Let's go for a ride. We're going to check in?
Yes, sir.
We just checked in at the Gili Gateway and we're on our way to Bali. First stop.
Woo!
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome back to Bali. This way, please. Thank you. Yep.
Including our waiting time at the airport, it's going to take us 18 hours.
Something's just happened.
I had the most amazing gluten-free meal.
And chips.
Chips in our fryer and a burger that actually has bread that's making me question the gluten-free, but I've compared this 3 times. I think it's important. It'll be rare.
We can't ask again. But in typical Mercy style, we only have the aftermath. Whoops.
Please take a moment to familiarize yourself with your nearest exit.
請留意，我哋嘅機艙服務員正為你指示逃生出口。
We've now made it to our first stopover and we are in Hong Kong, China.
Feel your surroundings in the terminal buildings. Thank you for your cooperation.
You can't believe it unless you've been stuck in a third world country for so long, but we've just made it to Singapore. No, we've just made it to Hong Kong and they have free water.
After so many hours travelling, the ultimate thing to arrive to was Hat Coffee Latte Art Studio. These amazing artists were able to create 2D and 3D characters in coffee foam. They were even able to copy photos of your own pet to create for you. It was almost too good to drink.
It's definitely a dog. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
It was the pig.
Careful not to spill it forward. See
Yeah.
how you tilting it forward? I don't want to eat it.
Eat it, eat it, eat it. Yeah, well,
We're going to Disneyland. Disneyland, all the way to Disneyland.
Tokyo. Oh, it's gonna be beautiful. It's not raining.
We caught our good friends on the tail end of their ski holiday in the Japanese ski fields.
Let's go to Disneyland. Let's go to Disneyland.
We're going to Disneyland. We're going to Disneyland.
You might remember them from our previous videos, such as New Year's in Hamilton Island and Kilkiven.
Harlow, where are we going?
We're going to Disneyland.
Where are we going?
Disneyland. Say,
Let's go.
It was extra special being able to share so many amazing memories with them again.
Super coming.
I was so worried about getting COVID during our trip that I wore a mask 90% of the time. Disneyland is an absolute dream, although we found it really difficult to abide by all the rules. I'm a big rule follower, and so I was surprised to be told off so much. It became quite comical in the end. Don't sit there, no sitting there, stand over here, no walking there.
It's gonna be fast. I might have to turn my hat backwards. As my hat blows off lower, I think that's the thing.
Make sure to watch your little riders. Which is going to make you happy, and that will make
Go, Coda!
Introducing you to the happiest lady on earth in the happiest place on earth. Of all the employees in all the amusement parks we have seen, this lady took the cake in maintaining team morale, making Baymax Ride the top choice within the park.
By the mark. Mark 1. Mark 20.
down by the river with a dog.
Another hilarious whoops moment was watching the Stitch performance in 100% Japanese. We had absolutely no idea what was going on, but we were closed in and forced to sit through the entirety of the performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Next week, we take you around our favourite sites in Tokyo.